Okay, Hitachi. There we go. Strut gear. Strut one of the gears out. So that's the gearbox housing needs to be replaced. Well, a few brands that actually still uses a lanyard. Never liked them myself. There's your problem. Teeth inside are stripped out. That's the part you need. One housing with teeth inside of it. So these teeth lock this gear. Can't put it on wrong either. There's a wee keyway here for this to locate onto. So can I do it wrong? Make sure bearing's halfway down. Everything's clicked on. Gear change is engaged. Your forward reverse is engaged. Make sure that ribbon connector is clear of that hole. Don't forget your lanyard. That's her. Sweet. On a Hikoki drill, slip in gear repaired. Replace the rear gear case. That part number there cures your problem. It's nice to see a Hikoki supplies all their parts for their drills. Keep your tool running for longer. There's nothing that lasts forever. Even a 3-year warranty in these eventually wears out. 2017, 6 years work done. Could do another 6 now.